Okay, this is EPTA Picture Descriptions, set 14, our fourth video. Describe the picture in as much detail as possible. What interesting or odd details do you see in the picture? Alright, some possible answers or some suggestions. Well, there's a plane and it's getting ready to land. It's getting ready to touch down there. It appears to be a passenger plane. Doesn't look like it's a cargo aircraft. A lot of times with these pictures you can say the positive thing and the negative thing, the what's there and what's not there. Anyway, he or she, this pilot, has his nose or her nose almost on the center line there, or it appears as though they are coming in sideways. All right. Maybe give your opinion. He or she is not perfectly lined up there. Maybe there's a problem. Maybe there's a crosswind, and the pilot is trying to straighten out the aircraft. Another good idea, you can say what you think might happen. Well, I don't think they're quite lined up. Maybe they should do a go around or something. It's kind of the plane is kind of turned to the left there. They're going to cross the threshold, I guess. It appears to be crabbing, or it looks like it's crabbing into the wind. Right. Now, they ask for odd details or anything interesting you might see. So, you notice this is the engines are not under the wing, like this is a 737 here. I think this is a MD-80, a Mad Dog 80. So you can say maybe this is an older aircraft because the engines are in the rear of the plane, or the engines are not under the wings but in the aft section of the aircraft. And again, that's kind of an older model of aircraft. I think they stopped manufacturing or producing that model. Actually, I looked this up quickly, and I think that, well, I'll just say this number. I think there's maybe about 300. Wikipedia might have said that. Maybe about 300 or less still in service, but they're around. But nowadays, the 737 is much more popular. Apparently, these weren't very fuel efficient. It's kind of cocked sideways to the left. You could say this too. This aircraft is not straight. You could say that. Now I put this here at the end because cocked is not something we say all the time, but it is used. So, like this little bird, he's looking at us thinking, what? The little bird was confused and has his head cocked to the right. Anyway, that's the end of this. Those are just some general English suggestions. If you want, put an example sentence in the comments section, and I or maybe somebody else can give you some suggestions or feedback.